What's up, guys? I'm Julian Hurst. We're here with another trick tip, and today I'll be teaching you guys 50-50s.
Alright, so before you start doing 50-50s, you want to make sure you have your ollies down pat. Before you start trying 50-50s on ledges, a good way to get used to the motion of like ollieing forward is maybe line up with a crack and just practice ollieing over it stationary. Before you even ollie into them, you can practice just doing ride-on grinds. Get the motion of it. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to approach the ledge at a slight angle. Pop your ollie. Try to get that back truck in first. And once you're in the 50-50, you can go as far as you want, can do as little as you want, you know? Really just depends on your confidence. When you're ready to get out of a 50-50, what you do is lift your front truck up while leaning backwards and push yourself out.
I'd say the 50-50 is the most fundamental grind you can learn, and it's a big stepping stone to other tricks you may decide to learn in the future.